this is Anvesha Nanda from Rourkela, Odisha, and this is my first ever YouTube video. मैंने पहले शॉर्ट्स वगैरह बनाए हुए हैं एंड इवन आई एम वेरी एक्टिव ऑन Instagram nowadays, but apart from that I always wanted to have my own YouTube channel, starting with very basic thing that is get to know me. वैसे टैगलाइन में देख ही लिया होगा आपने. सो या दैट इज़ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. इट्स वेरी बेसिक. मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे कि क्या मैं आंसर करूं एंड माय इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर्स हैव गिवन मी सम रियली गुड क्वेश्चंस ऑनेस्टली. लाइक कुछ बहुत इंस्पिरेशनल क्वेश्चंस हैं. सो आई थिंक वी शुड आंसर दैट. एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो एडेड सम बेसिक इन्फोज फॉर मी कि मैं कौन हूँ, कहाँ से हूँ, मैं क्या करती हूँ एंड who I am actually. So yeah, that is all we are doing in this video. So do not forget to subscribe, like and follow me on Instagram as well, because वहाँ basic everyday content वहाँ आता है. I will try to make YouTube videos more often, but I'm not sure about it right now. तो आप लोग डेफिनेटली जाके इंस्टाग्राम में फॉलो कर लो, बिकॉज वहाँ बेसिक अपडेट्स मिल जाएंगे आपको. सो या that is it. Yes, that is it. So before I start the video, मैं पहले warn कर देती हूँ कि I talk a lot. So like in front of the camera, मैं पता है मुझे अभी कमेंट्स आएंगे नीचे कि तू हमसे तो बात नहीं करती. So हाँ, मैं नहीं करती, but in front of the camera I talk a lot. So if I start blabbering about anything and everything, just bear with it. So questions start करते हुए, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन बीइंग कि मैं कौन हूँ, मेरा नाम क्या है. आई एम अन्वेषा नंद एंड आई एम फ्रॉम राउरकेला, उड़ीसा. और उड़ीसा कहाँ है ये जाके प्लीज़ गूगल सर्च कर लेना, मेरे को कमेंट नहीं चाहिए उस पर. नेक्स्ट, मूविंग ऑन टू मैं क्या करती हूँ एंड what am I actually doing right now. So I am a student. मैं बेसिकली अभी 12th ख़त्म किया मैंने एंड विद स्कूल इट इज़ TPS of 2025 बैच है मेरा. एंड अभी फ़िलहाल आई एम वेटिंग फॉर माई काउंसलिंग्स टू बी डन. कॉलेज वगैरह मिलना बाकी है. सो दैट इज़ दैट. एंड या बेसिक वही है कि मैं क्या करती हूँ एंड स्टफ. Abhi, I think we should just move on to the questions that my followers have asked me. So moving on to the questions asked from my followers. So मेरे फॉलोअर्स ने ना कुछ इतने अच्छे क्वेश्चंस पूछे हैं, तो आई डोंट नो हाउ टू इवन आंसर देम, बट आई ट्राई. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन बीइंग हु इज़ माई इंस्पिरेशन. सो डायरेक्ट आंसर है मेरी मम्मा, बिकॉज शी इज़ जस्ट द वन वुमेन आई नो हु रियली वांट्स टू डू समथिंग इन हर लाइफ. आई थिंक बहुत ऐसे मेरी फ्रेंड्स भी हैं हु रियली डोंट वांट टू डू एंड डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू इन देयर लाइफ. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ गर्ल टू नो कि तुम कहाँ स्टैंड कर रहे हो and what is your value, because you tend to keep your value idhar and you really are here. So I think that is what I've learned from my mom a lot, and I think that is one thing that I love about her, apart from the jhagdas we do every day. But yeah, I do think my inspiration is mama. Also, if you guys don't know who my mom is, go check out her Instagram account as well, because she's a great artist. She loves painting. She also takes order, so please go check it out. Okay, next question. So moving on to the next question. The next question is why you want to be an influencer. Now it's a very simple answer. I love talking in front of cameras and I genuinely mean it. मैं कॉल पे नहीं आंसर करूँगी, मैं टेक्स्ट पे भी नहीं आंसर करूँगी, बट आई लव टॉकिंग टू माई सेल्फ. एंड अगर कैमरा आ भी जाए, इट इज़ नॉट मैटर टू मी. आई थिंक मैं ये अपलोड करने के बाद जब देखूँगी, आई विल बी लाइक व्हाट एम आई सेइंग, बट like while doing it I think I enjoy it. तो इसीलिए I just wanna be there, out there, just have my opinions right there. I know बहुत लोग आते हैं, they put on hate comments and you guys have to deal with it, but I think मेरे लिए what is important is putting on my opinion. तो अगर भी hate comments आएंगे, I think it is fine. You guys have opinions, I have my opinion, it made for. So yeah, that is why I want to be an influencer. So नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में चलते हैं. quickly because I think it's gonna be a lengthy video. Who's your inspiration or what fascinated you to become a creator? अगर inspiration with respect to creator मैं बोलूँ तो there are a lot of creators I really love. Currently I'm obsessed with Mridul Sharma, I'm obsessed with Gopali Di, I'm obsessed with Janvi Di, like the brown doctor. I will just tag them down below अगर आपने नहीं चेक किया होगा. They are really good. Next I am obsessed with Tanisha, like she really is a sweetheart. उन्होंने मुझे रिप्लाई दिया Instagram पे I think few days back, and I generally see content creators ignoring people. They're very sweet and generous. I think that is one reason I really love them. Also the fact कि वो लोग genuinely care करते हैं अपने followers के opinion की, that is a thumbs up. That is a very good thing. So yeah, them. And I really love Muskan Didi's the whole vibe she creates, the aura, the Pinteresty looks. I mean, I really love her. Yeah, I think these are the pretty much like जो लोग को I really follow. Starting में I think there were some creators I really love starting में जिनसे मैं inspire हुई. I think Niharika Didi is one of them. I don't know if you guys know her or not. I'm pretty sure you guys do, right? She is one of them. उनके कुछ videos मैं बहुत देखा है मैंने उनका videos, and I think उनके कुछ videos were so basic and normal, like attire में I used to think कि बहुत fancy looking चाहिए, but I think she was one of the creators जो बहुत normal basic से बनाती थी. So I think she is one of my really biggest inspiration. Yeah. Anyways, moving on. So moving on, I think I did answer the question. Did I? Yeah. What is why am I fascinated to become a creator? I think wahi, that the fact that I love talking in front of the camera, wahi I think is the reason I wanna be a creator. बाकी कुछ तो ऐसा है नहीं. बाकी these creators are really good. So yeah, love making videos, and I really love watching them. And I've been a YouTube baby forever. So इसीलिए I think I love YouTube. Moving on to the next question. So the next question is, your face glows so effortlessly. What's your skincare routine? Okay. I don't know कौन believe करेगा कौन नहीं करेगा, but I don't have a skincare routine. I don't even apply face wash sometimes. मेरा आधा दिन goes in oily face, and my skin, by the way, does not glow. वो probably oil दिख रहा होगा तुमको, ठीक है? So it is nothing like that. बाकी if I will be a little more honest, I think मेरे face में बहुत pimples आते हैं. And in fact, like the people who know me and have seen me in general, like normal days में, they know that I suffer from pimples and acne and everything. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मेरी proper skin है, perfect skin है, और ना ही ऐसा है कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा skin care करती हूँ. So yeah, but I will definitely say कि skin care करना चाहिए. मैं थोड़ी ज़्यादा lazy हूँ, I don't do it, but you guys should. The next question is not very this video related, but as पूछा है तो I'm just answering. So it says, what is my favorite holiday destination? So there are two places I have always been wanting to go. मतलब childhood से अभी I don't know if I want to go there or not, but definitely like the first place is LA, the second place is New York. I mean कौन नहीं जाना चाहता यहाँ. So yeah, that is my favorite childhood destinations जो मुझे बहुत चाहिए था. I also have Hong Kong and other amusement parks मिलेंगे तुमको, but मैं बच्ची हूँ, मुझे जाना है उधर. So that is that. And उसके बाद I think right now if I'm obsessed with some place, it's definitely Italy, because I love pasta, I love pizza. I mean, how can I miss Italy? Right, so Italy is one of the places. It says Amalfi. So yeah, so I really really adore Italy. Yeah, that is probably my favorite destination for now. चेंज हो जाएगा, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. It will probably change in like a few days. So the last and final question is, which is my favorite clothing brand? Now I really love wearing a lot of brands. मेरे पास कुछ ऐसा favorite नहीं है. I really have like things कि इस ये चीज़ का like ये बहुत अच्छा brand है. So I would say as jeans में I really love the fitting of Levi's. I think it has the best fitting in the world. Second, the top wears. I think tops तो हर जगह अच्छे मिलते हैं. There are a lot of brands जहाँ अच्छा चीज़ मिलता है. So I don't even know कि कौन सा एक brand बताऊँ. I think basics we all know H&M. For the dressier part, I think Zara, but I don't wear Zara because वो बहुत ज़्यादा expensive लगता है मुझे for the thing they give. Other than that, I think I order pretty much everything online. So either it's online or it's Zudio, U-Star and stuffs like that जो कि इधर मिल रहा है. So yeah, that is it. For the jewelry part though, I would say आई नो ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हैवी हो जाएगा आप के लिए, बट हाँ ठीक है, विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू द लाइक इमिटेशन ज्वेलरीज, एंटी टार्निश हो कि जो भी हो, you might get the stuffs for a lesser price, but I think you guys should definitely check out Palmonas. This is not sponsored and मैंने यूज़ किया है, तो दैट इज़ द ओनली रीज़न आई एम सेइंग. दैट इज़ इट फॉर टुडेज़ वीडियो. एंड बाय द वे, डू सब्सक्राइब, डू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. मैं बडिंग क्रिएटर हूँ. आई रियली वांट टू इंटरेक्ट विद यू गाइज. सो जस्ट कम ऑन, फॉलो, सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, कमेंट, डू ऑल थिंग्स. पैसे थोड़ी पड़ रहे हैं. चलो कम ऑन. बाय बाय.